Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have BTS Youth mini clear poster, the Japanese edition. So I bought all 7 members. So I'll be unboxing them one by one. So as usual, we'll be starting with Red Monster. God, I've been waiting for this for like since the 16th, and today is the 20th. It's only 4 days. It's pretty fast. And this is the bag. As you can see, it says Red Monster. It's a limited cut. Oh my gosh, I have to peel this thing off. Oh my god, I don't want to. Let's see if this works. I was hoping not to peel this, but oh my gosh, it's gonna take forever. You know what? I'm gonna change my pen. Oh my god. Okay, no. I'm gonna change my pen knife. I got a bigger one. Hopefully this does job faster. Okay, actually there's not much difference. God, this is like taking even longer. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? I'm changing back to the small one. This ain't working. Guys, oh my god. So hard to get the unboxing done. Just the last bit. Yay! I got it, guys. Oh crap. Put this one side. Guys, I've opened up the envelope without tearing it. Oh my gosh. Do you see what's inside? Oh my god. They're really thin. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is like these are like photo. Oh my god. You know the really the 90 cameras, the film. Oh my gosh, guys, this is, oh my god, this is so pretty. This is the last picture. Oh, sorry for the glaze, guys. I'm trying to cover this. And then we have this. Oh my gosh, the pictures are really pretty. You know what? I should just stick this thing up. This is a group photo. If I remember correctly, the group photo is supposed to be different. Oops. This is all for Namjoon's. Okay, I am back after unsealing all the envelopes. It was the most tedious process, but I'm glad it's all done. So let's move on with Suga. This manufacturing company used a seriously really good glue to like seal the envelope. My pen knife was like stuck. Had like lots of glue like stick. Oh my gosh, they have my pen knife had lots of glue stuck onto it, and I had to remove it because no, I wouldn't be able to like slide my pen knife through the other envelopes. Okay, let's start with this, the group photo. Gosh, I really love these posters. They look good with like white background, I think. They probably would look good on white background. Oh my god, what am I saying? Oops, sorry. Sorry, I'm going a little bit too fast because I have like another 5 more to go. I don't want the video to be too long. So this is Suga's. Next, we are moving on with Jin. We have group photo again. Wait, is this the same as the other one I showed you? I think so. Jin's blonde hair is still pretty shocking to me, but I love his current hair color, pink. I was thinking of changing my hair color too. I'm not sure if I want to do it all pink. I'm thinking of going with grey this time, so. And we're moving on with my bias. Oh my god, J-Hope. God, he's so cute. This is definitely the same as Red Monsters. I love this picture the most. Okay. Next we're moving on with Jimin. Yep, definitely the group photos are the same. I think there's like only 4 versions, which means I got all 4. God, this is really like a film. I mean, it's in like this mini posters. Yep. So this is V. Sorry guys if I'm like rushing because it's like this. I think there's like, oh my gosh, there's other group photo. I haven't gotten this yet, so maybe there's like more than. Okay, I'll probably just do some research later on. Because I'm sure I didn't get this one before. So probably there's like more than 4 versions. The group photos are actually given randomly, so yep, this is Jungkook's. So maybe there's more than 4 versions, yeah, because these Jimin and J-Hope's I definitely did not see before. Oh, we have it here again. Okay. Yep, that's all guys. Thank you for watching the unboxing. I hope all of you enjoy and I'll see you in the next unboxing video. Bye guys!